Good evening from Grand Family Farm. It's about 4:30 on January 11th, 2025. And Charlie and Lisa are in there milking Bella. And I got all the animals fed. And Edith wants some different food because she's spoiled. She likes grain. So that's why she's making all this noise. She got plenty of food. And she's already had her grain today. She wants more. Oh, too bad. Anyway, this is the end of a pretty day. It's been cold out here. It's been pretty. And a few clouds here and there, but not much. Yeah, I can't wait for spring.